Ever found yourself wondering why your beautiful garden is turning into a feast for pests? These uninvited guests can wreak havoc on your plants. The need for an organic, eco-friendly pest control solution has never been greater. What if there's a natural and sustainable solution to these pesky problems? Let's dive into the world of companion planting. Enter companion planting, a gardener's secret weapon against pests. This innovative method involves planting different crops close together and harnesses the natural relationships between plant species for a variety of benefits. Companion planting is like setting up a dinner party, where each guest brings something unique to the table. From pest control and pollination to providing a habitat for beneficial insects, maximizing space and boosting crop productivity, companion planting is all about synergy and cooperation. It's like creating a mini ecosystem right in your backyard. So, how do you start companion planting? It's simple and fun. First, choose the right plants. Consider the needs of your garden, including the local climate, soil type, and the amount of sunlight your garden receives. Next, determine their companions. Some plants naturally complement each other. For instance, tomatoes and basil are a classic duo because basil repels insects that feast on tomatoes. Once you've chosen your plants and their companions, it's time to plant. Remember, some plants prefer to be grouped closely together, while others need more space. And finally, maintain your garden. Keep an eye on your plants and adjust as necessary. If you see a plant struggling, it might need a different companion. Don't forget about popular plant combinations known for their pest-repelling properties. Marigolds and tomatoes, for example, are a powerful pair. Remember, the key is to experiment and see what works best for your garden. That's a wrap on companion planting for pest control. Remember, this method is not just eco-friendly, but also enhances your garden's productivity. Give companion planting a go and see the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!